What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to take a quick look at this Bose Acoustimass 10 Series 5 speakers. And when I went to go purchase these speakers, I could not find any information in terms of video format. So I'm going to go ahead and put that information out there. If you guys do enjoy this, please leave me a thumbs up. So first thing off, the speaker system comes with a big subwoofer and 5 speakers. So we've got our center speaker, the left front, the right front, as well as the rear right and the rear left speakers. They do not come with these stands. Those were an add-on. So also the speakers do have a proprietary connector on the back of them, so they don't use a standard red and black audio cable. You can see here, now there are adapters sold online like on eBay that will convert this to a standard red and black speaker input or output. So that connector is on every one of the speakers. On the back, they provide you with two 50-foot cables. So each cable is 50 foot for each speaker run. And I have it hidden under this raceway and going to that speaker right there. And then for the front, we have 20-foot cables for the front 2 speakers as well as the center speaker. Here is a quick look at the subwoofer. On the subwoofer, we have a bass and LFE control knob. I'm going to show you where the inputs connect on this subwoofer. So I've turned the subwoofer upside down, and you can see these are the speaker inputs or outputs rather. So these connect to each one of the speakers. They look like RCA cables. They're color coded for the 5 speakers, the front, left, and right, the center, and the rear surround speakers. This one is the power cord, and then this one is a 20-foot audio monitor cable. So this is what plugs into any receiver. It's the subwoofer cable as well as speaker cables. So on one end, it looks like a old school monitor connector for a VGA monitor. And this cable runs all the way around and it connects to this speaker system. On the other end of that cable, it terminates into these red and black wires, which you would connect to your receiver. So here we've got the front left and right, the center, the rear left and right, as well as the subwoofer cable. And that's as simple as it is, guys. That's how you would hook up one of these Bose Acoustimass systems to one of these receivers. As far as sound goes, these sound amazing. I will say they sound not as clear in the vocals. These are really good for theaters. If you want to hear bass as well as like background effects, it's really good. However, for music, it's not as great. All right, guys, thanks again so much for watching. If you found the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. And more importantly, if you could subscribe to my channel, that would mean a lot. I purposely put these videos out there for you guys and to help anybody who's trying to get any additional information. So I'd really appreciate if you leave a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments down below. I'll try to get those answered, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.